It's here. Super Mario controller. I've been waiting for this forever and ever. Here's the back of it. Look at that controller. Here's the front. More entertaining. I'll be right back. I got it. Kids, do not try this at home. I mean, I am a kid, but my first time. It's hard. Oh, God, you have no idea how hard this is. This. Oh. I'll be right back to put this up. Oh, no. Okay. Hold up, guys. My mom's calling me. Sorry about that, guys. And let's go. I worked so hard for this. And this is not even control. Look at this. What even is this? Oh, there's more. Oh, guys, I see it. I see it. Oh, guys, I found it. It's finally here. In the bag, there's nothing in there. Look at the front. That is awesome. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. I have one more. Oh. Finale. This out of the way. Okay, guys, I can't wait to open this. It's a... Oh. I will open it. I already opened it, and here's a charger. It's a long charger. I never had one of these. What are these for? Control. And two controls, red and blue. So I'm guessing. Oh, and guys, I got this Mario Kart 8 Deluxe for my birthday, which is yesterday. Oh. Wait, I forgot to show you the back up front. The front. There's Mario, Peach, Bowser, and I don't. There's Link, and then you can see that there's Link right there. And I think I see no Animal Crossing on my tablet. That's Isabelle. That's from Splatoon. Oh, clean, girl. So yeah, let's open it. Sorry, guys. Here's the thing. It's the same thing. Here's the disc. Here's the disc, whatever it's called. And that's the put on the page. See? And this is the front of the page. See, you can see. Okay.
Sorry. What are you doing?
I'm just making a YouTube video.
Oh. Everything that you got for your birthday?
Yeah, which is this YouTube.
Where'd you get all the Pokemon cards from?
Oh, these are Pokemon cards?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, never mind. Just continue with your thing.
Okay. Alright guys, so here's the game card. Here's the oh wait. Oh, here it is. Here's the game card. Set it up. Wrong way. In he goes. I'll be right back. Done. Alright guys, so I already downloaded some games already. So yeah. We're gonna play on the TV, so I see you at the TV.